In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up projects in Hubstaff. We'll walk through creating a new project, choosing the right settings, and making sure your team and budgets are aligned so tracking and reporting are accurate from day one. Start by signing in and opening your Hubstaff dashboard. From there, head to Project Management, which is the hub for everything you'll create and manage. Click Add Project and choose New Project to open the editor where you'll configure the details. Begin with a clear, recognizable name. A simple convention like the client's name plus a short description keeps lists tidy and makes reports easier to scan later. Consistent naming is especially helpful when you run multiple similar initiatives at once. Next, decide whether the project is billable. Turning billable on tells Hubstaff to treat tracked time as billable hours, which is essential if you generate invoices from time reports. If the work is internal or non-billable, leave it off so those hours are excluded from billable totals and don't appear on invoices. You'll see tracking controls that determine how time and activity are captured. Disable activity turns off activity metrics such as keystrokes and mouse movement for this project. Use this for privacy-sensitive work or meetings where activity data isn't meaningful. Allow project tracking should remain enabled so team members can select and track time to this project across the Hubstaff apps. Disable idle time prevents idle detections from trimming time when there's no recent activity. Keep this off if you want Hubstaff to flag idle moments automatically, or enable it if idle checks would interrupt your specific workflow. If the work is tied to a client, add the client so your reports and budgets can filter by that organization. This also streamlines invoicing later. Open the Members section to set who can access the project. Add managers who will oversee the project and adjust settings, add users who will track time, and add viewers who need read-only access to reports without tracking time. Make sure each person's role matches their responsibilities to avoid permission roadblocks. Move to budget and limits to define controls. Set a project budget in hours or cost to keep scope on track, and configure alerts at key thresholds so you have time to react. Under member limits, cap hours per person if you want to prevent over-allocation or enforce part-time arrangements. If you organize your workforce into groups, open teams,